teammates to discuss about globalization, its impact on global communication. Globalization is the process of interaction and integration among people, companies, and governments of different nations. So, in simple words, muna siya process galing na nag-interact or nag-connect from one person from this country to the other. Isang kalito sa community, may connection sa other communities nga mas maka-improve sa inyong nation, sa inyong government, people, information, interaction. A process driven by international trade and investment and aided by information technology. Kanang mas napaspasan pa sa information nga, mas naka-acquire mo more information nga magamit ninyo sa pag-improve sa inyong community or sa inyong nation or sa inyong businessman, mga businessman nito ta, so let's say ka business nga mas maka-improve nimo gikan sa other companies from other countries. Bisag tuwa sila sa kayo mas maka-acquire ko mga information na makatabang sa inyo.
My topic is about global communication. So, global communication is described the way countries and people of the world interact and integrate. So, global communication it is how countries share ideas and relate with each other around the world. And it also includes people to understand each other. So, for example, si Aris, na siya sa na school, karon, na countries, ano na siya makipag-collaborate, ano na siya pinag-share ang mga ideas na ihangan ako lang sa ilahan, then pinaagi sa people. Globalization. The process of globalization has constantly increased the availability of information for people across the world. So, kanisya is must increase due to the emergence of technology. And then the emergence of internet and advanced mobile services has allowed people to discuss business plans and proposals on an international level as well as exchange privately and securely. So, kanisya is namatay ka ni Manang na video call, Zoom, or Facebook na mas mapadali ang interaction from a person to another country. And then, kung siya hinungdan na mas more advanced karon ang globalization.
Everyone, my name is Joberter Amulo, and my topic is about what is globalization. Globalization is defined as the following, which are interconnectedness, close, and interdependence. So, interconnectedness is described the widening, deepening, and spreading out of worldwide connectedness across different domains, including economic, social, and political systems. So, economic, like, kanang makabaluta through the use of technology nga ma-adapt na to other culture. So, unsalan po ng mga trends sa mga sa technology nga magamit nato usang pag-improve ang atong operation ng business. So, a social and political system ng like kanang mga sa makabaluta sa mga trends kung saan ang pagkakabot.
It involves the intensifying movement of people goods, service, capital, technology, and ideas across national borders. So, flows is due to globalization is pas-pas naman din ako pag-travel karon sa mga goods, and then na siya yung mga equipment like TikTok or Shopee, Lazada. Diba is maka-order naman yung karon sa sala
are technological advancement and economic policies. First is technological advancement. The internet, mobile phones, and improvements in transportation like jet engines and container ships have dramatically increased the speed and scale of global connections. Yan, dumadaan is mas nakastas ang pag-exchange ng goods, services, and information from one country to another. Mas na improve ang process sa globalization. The next one is economic policies. The expansion of international trade and payments and reduction of barriers to cross-border investments have facilitated global economic integration. And doon na kay mga laws ka nagpa-reduce din sa mga barriers pa or makahinder sa exchanging products, services, and goods and information from one country to another, from one border to another. Mas na-reduce siya, so mas na-enhance ang progress sa globalization. These are the examples of technological advancement and economic policies. Ano siya is natin yung shipments and sa internet. Ito na is na mas ang magpag-progress sa globalization. These are economic policies which are laws that supported globalization.
My name is Emmanuel Martin, and my topic is key aspects of globalization. Is economic globalization. This involves the integration of national economies into the international economy through trade, foreign direct investment, and capital flows. Economic globalization when country trades and do business with each other. Example, Philippines mo import of oil gikan sa awan nga country o ang Philippines mo export ako og banana or coconut oil sa abang country. Next. Second is cultural globalization. This refers to the spread of cultural products, ideas, and practices across borders, creating more globalized cultural experience, and shared global village. Cultural globalization when we share, other countries share our ideas, food, and tradition. Example, ang Pilipino ganahan mo watch og K-drama o sa American movie, and sa food na po, ang tamang Pilipino ganahan mo mga Korean noodles o sa America is ang maklo dishes that culture just more connected and influenced with one another. And last, political globalization. This encompasses the increasing cooperation and independence among governments reflected in international organizations and agreements. Some political globalization when country do meeting to solve problem. Example, ang Philippines mo join sa ibang country para mag-meeting to solve national issue problem and para mo meeting sa climate change o sa ibang mga issue.
My name is John David Rivera, and the topic is impact of globalization. First is the availability of information. The availability of information is one of the major effects of the process of globalization. Large multinational corporations in its works focus on the cultural dimensions of globalization. So, ang meaning yan is ang availability of information. So sayo lagi sa atuaron nga makita tag information sa dira pa makita sa mga online platforms, lagi sa TikTok or Facebook ay sa una man to lisod man gid sa una man makita tag information kay dito matag TV or mga radio ba pero karon na panahon sayo na gyud kay through globalization tech make us information accessible, cheaper and faster for everyone. So next is business conduct. Globalization has influenced global communication by implementing new techniques for business conduct among workers at international corporations. So meaning ani, sayo na kayo mag-conduct ng business kay naano tayo online platform. So for example, magtawag ka og meeting, dili na tawo adto sa biyang panganason para ra mo conduct ng meeting. So ka-conduct ng meeting through video call or online.
My topic is all about social awareness. So, the availability of information, which is a direct effect of the development of global communication systems, has led to increased social awareness of people across the world. Information technology and networks enable them to share opinions, views, and projects and research different areas. These are among the main reasons why the progress of global communication is creating a sense of global society. So, social awareness and global communication is a basic impact through social media, through television, through internet, dali ka maka-hook up kung sino rin ako within the country, within different countries. So, muna siya ang social awareness. The last one is the dilemma. Despite the techniques spread for continuous developments, global communication has not reached the majority of people in all continents. So the dilemma, by the way, is the challenges that happens within that country. For example, as in the Philippines, we are facing typhoons right now. So through social media, through television, ang lain-lain lugar, mapapanood sila ang internet mo sa Pilipinas. But not all countries, sa lain-lain lugar ay magpapanood, kaya mo na siya ang lack of communication. Connectivity mo na siya ang nakapasa sa kanila.
The effects of globalization on global communication. First is increased business opportunities. Using communication vehicles such as video calling make it simple to converse colleagues across the globe. So, ang meaning nga so sayo na kayo mo gamatag siya pa. For example, kanang sa TikTok. Kana ba magamatag business? So, naagyon, dako kayo ka percent nga mo increase kayo kana ba mo lago ang imong business through these platforms kay sa una gud mo adto pa ka piyak na lugar para makapalit ka og mga bagay ni mo gusto. So karon naa na may mga online platforms gud, online shop, naa na ni TikTok, also sa Shopee, kasi sa ato kapalit kita sa Shopee. So naa gyud na business nga mulagog yun kay ano naman ang sayo na tayo mo palit para sa mga customers nila.
Fewer cultural barriers. Many people perceive culture to be the root of communication challenges. When people from two different cultures try to exchange information, the way they speak, their body language, or their mannerism can be interpreted differently by the other person. The way people approach problem and how the participant and communities is all employed by culture. So, kani siya sa fewer cultural barriers ning sa cultural barriers is kanaganing lang ato ang inistoryahan dire lahi og sabot sa ilha gani.
It made it easier to see people from the other side of the world. Bisag na ka dire, makita mo siya dito due to this internet, social mga platform dito such as video call, Zoom, magamit na ito para makita sila, bisag na, sila ko dito, mga istoryahan natin sila, mga social information nila. Bisag na ata dire sa Pilipinas. Yung example lang kay Amiga dire, na ikaw lang sa Amiga dire sa Amerika, or sa lain na dire, mas madali na siya makakomunikate. Kasi dili nakamong ato niya. Unlike sa past nga, dugay kayo kayo pag-letters, pila pa ka mas pag-umakot. Like, see other side of the world as neighbors instead of stranger from far away lang. Kana ba, murag ba na ba, normal lang ganyan yung tanay mo, murag dili, kung una is, nagkakita na, conflict na yun, dili good pa, wala na kailangan, kasi nakapula silang nakapula sa culture, mas dapat sila cultural barriers ganyan na maka-interfere sa ilang communication. There are so much knowledge about other countries and cultures available online that it's no longer a complete history. Kanang mas muna ko yun niya, ito ang sabat is, mas dali na naman ka-communicate, kablan mo kasi culture ito nga, kumuha ko yung history ang isa, kung ito siya sa lahat ng lugar, ito siya, yung culture is lahat. So kablan mo naman sa i-avoid, masaya ngayon, kablan mo siya, gusto na i-avoid sa mga kapat na direct na kapat. Kaya mas makasaya ang communication to avoid more conflict. That's all.